Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. It's a box full of all sorts of neat Japanese ramen and other things that you can find online at japancrate.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Let's crack it open and see what's in here. Oh. Alright, so the first thing you're going to see when you crack open the box is this pamphlet. And inside you're going to see everything that's in the box for this month with a little description and tips on preparation. So if you don't know how to read Japanese or decipher instant ramen pictograms, don't lose this, alright? And you also get a recipe card. Alright, let's go through everything in the box. First off, from Kenko, we have healthy food soy sauce ramen. Yeah, this is a pretty standard shoyu. I don't know that it's extremely healthy in any respects, but it's all right. They use this brand an awful lot in these boxes, just so you know. And then we've got this. What is it? This is mushroom rice. So it's kind of heavy. It's rice, and you just microwave it and it kind of steams it, and it has mushrooms in it. So there you go. And this is particularly odd. This is oatmeal, and it's pickled plum and bonito flavor. So yeah, it's smoked fish and plum oatmeal. And I'm unsure if I've tried this one or not. This is a Kitakata curry variety. What's the brand on this? This is Igarashi Saimen. Yeah, their stuff is usually pretty good. I think it's a non-fried noodle, and their broths are pretty good, so yeah. And here's one from Itomen. This is Yami Soba, and I guess the noodles are made with Japanese yams. I didn't realize that, so yeah, we'll give it a try. Here's another one of these little cups. This is shellfish dashi soup. So if you're keen on mollusks, I believe this will float your boat. And once again from Yamamoto Saifun, this is Tanuki's Father Tonkatsu. Is this a spicy one? I don't believe so, but this is actually really good. They put it almost in every single box that they send, and it's good. So, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Here's one from Takamori, and this is an agadashi udon, and I don't know if you can tell, but the packaging is kind of a paper-like thing. I don't know whether I've had this or not. I hope I haven't, because these are always interesting to me, so yeah. And now we come to the bonus item. This is black vinegar onion salad furikake, a dry sprinkled salad condiment made for adding rich and pungent flavor to everyday meals like rice, pasta, and more. So in this, I believe the June Umai crate, you get furikake, curry, something clammy, something shroomy, something kind of like fishy oatmeal, tonkatsu, shoyu, agodashi udon, yami soba, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Well, cool. Thanks for sending this along. Yeah, there's some interesting varieties in this month's box, and I can't wait to give them a try. If you want to try out their boxes, head on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.